How to hide all your TikTok videos from the public without deleting them. This tutorial shows you how to make all your videos private at once in just a few steps. First, open TikTok and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. After that, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. Right here, scroll down to the Content and Display section and tap on Activity Center. Next up, tap on Manage Post Visibility to see all your videos in one place. Moving on, select your videos one at a time. Go through and tap on each one you want to hide from the public. From here, once you've selected everything, tap on Next to proceed. After that, select Only Me as the visibility option so no one else can see your videos. Finally, tap Update to confirm, and all your selected videos will be hidden from the public immediately without being deleted. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.